Jill's Steals and Deals is sponsored by Wells Fargo Credit Cards. Credit cards made for the way you live. That's real life ready.
And we're back. It's Steals and Deals time. Our good friend Jill Martin Brooks, today lifestyle and commerce contributor, is here with exciting bargains on hot tech gadgets, perfect for home and travel. Everything, by the way, up to 87% off. Scan the QR code. But before we get to any of that, I'm happy you're back.
Thank you.
I know you've been on a great healing journey, although you lost your voice because the karaoke.
But dancing all night on the tables was a lot. But I'm excited to be back with you today.
Me too.
And I just want to say that for Wells Fargo credit card holders, you get special 24-hour early access to Jill's Steals and Deals. I heard people are shopping, so I want to get right into it before things sell out.
We love a hair product.
Okay.
Go.
This is something that even you can do because I know this isn't fussy. It's the Adagio California Airlock Styler. The retail $2.99. The deal price is $39. That's 87% off. We have some B-roll here of Alexa, who's here in the studio. You see her here.
Yes.
What's great about this is you can wave it. You could curl it and you could
flat iron it.
It does all of it. Plus, it has cooling vents that help set the style so it keeps throughout the day. If you've wanted to try something like this, great deal, $39.
$39. That's crazy. Let's get some earbuds.
Okay. These are eBoutique wireless earbuds. The retail is $99.95. The deal price is $28. That's 72% off. What's great about these, in addition to always losing them and having an extra pair, which is a triumph, you can see how much battery life you have in. So you're not like, I have a call. Oh, no, I missed it. So that's there. Really beautiful colors to choose from that you could find in your bag. Again, the deal price, $28.
Really
8 hours of use time.
Okay, I'm always looking for something to hold up my phone when I do a call or whatnot, and they're also bulky.
Right,
so
and
what do you have?
I FaceTime my nephew every morning, and the phone keeps falling.
Always.
Recipes for all your cooking.
Yes, exactly.
Movies when you're on a plane. These are great to travel with.
So how does
you
it
get
work?
two, so don't worry. You just open it
up,
you put the phone in. That's it. Simple. Great colors. You get 2 in a pack. The retail price is $40. The deal, $18. That's 55% off. That's just great to have around, so you're not looking for things to prop up on.
Okay, I love me some music. These are cool speakers.
Yeah, this is the ultimate
what makes
triumph.
them unique?
Okay, so what's great about these is Gabba Goods fabric Bluetooth speakers. You could have a dance party, which obviously
yes, you did.
Chanel and I were up all night dancing.
Of course.
That's why. Yeah. And then what's also great about this, you could take phone calls, you could skip a song, and you don't need your phone to do it. It does it all from the speaker, and it has a strap. So if you want to connect it to a bicycle or...
And look how easy it is to turn up and down.
Yep.
So simple as can be.
So the deal price is $17, 66% off.
Okay.
Okay. Some of us are cold. Some of us are hot.
Yes.
It's very difficult. When you need a little bit of heat, you're at your desk. This will give it to you with the oscillating fan. Cool. It's a fan, and it's also a heater. $104.99 is the retail. The deal is $29. That's 72% off, but you see the range. So when you're at your desk, we all have different temperatures that we like. This is just for your little area. So again, $29, and it's good looking.
By the way, it's super cute.
And different speeds, you can gauge them.
All right, this one's going to go in 5 seconds.
Right. Because
right now.
I'm messy. Life is messy.
Look at this.
The Z-Tech vacuum, $59.99 the retail. The deal is $27. I had a mess in my car when I was on vacation, but no fear, the vacuum was there. Here's the B-roll from my car.
Let's see. How does it... Oh, my God, Fruity Pebbles.
I think it's Fruit Loops, but there's 3 attachments.
Yeah, so you can get big or small.
And you could get in those little crevices in your house. Just keep it handheld. It's cordless.
Wait, what's the price again?
$27. A triumph to be clean.
A triumph to be clean. Will you take us through our products one more time, please?
I would love to. We have the Adagio California Airlock Styler, the eBoutique earbuds, the Gator Grip phone stands, the Gabba Goods fabric Bluetooth speaker, the Eden Comfort oscillating fan heater, and the Z-Tech vacuum.
You're sparkly, Jill. Doesn't Jill look sparkly? All right, to shop, you can scan that QR code or head to today.com/deals. And just so you know, we do make a commission for the purchases made through the links. We're back in a moment, but first, this is Today on NBC.